Mastering, always arrive. Amplify your English with frequency adverbs. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about an interesting part of the English language that is quite essential but often overlooked. Verb plus adverb collocations. Specifically, we are going to explore the phrase, always arrive, a common collocation with the frequency adverb, always. So, fasten your language learning seatbelts and let's dive right into it. To kick off, let's clarify what we mean by verb plus adverb collocations. These are phrases in which a verb is regularly combined with an adverb to convey a specific meaning. A good grasp of these common pairings will make your English sound more natural and fluent. For instance, the phrase, always arrive, is a common collocation that uses a frequency adverb. The verb, arrive, is coupled with the adverb, always, to express a habit or a recurring event. Now that we understand what a verb plus adverb collocation is, let's delve deeper into our main topic. Always arrive. When we use the phrase, always arrive, we're typically indicating that someone consistently reaches a destination, whether that's a place, a time, or a condition. This could be a physical destination, like always arriving at the office at 8 a.m., or it could be a metaphorical one, like always arriving at the right answer. Here are a few examples. John always arrives early for meetings. She always arrives at the right conclusion. We've understood the concept, now let's put it into practice. Here are some more examples. 1. I always arrive home before 6 p.m. 2. Despite the traffic, he always arrives on time. 3. In murder mysteries, the detective always arrives at the truth in the end. Remember, the more you use these phrases in your everyday English, the more natural they will feel. And there we have it. You now have a better understanding of the phrase, always arrive, and how to use it to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and you'll find that your language skills are constantly improving. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice and consistency. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay curious and continue your exciting journey of English learning. See you in our next video.